all ready for the garbage pickup. Okay, this is the Victor brand rat trap that uses 4C batteries to electrocute the rat or mouse. See here? 4C batteries. Now what's happening right now is the light over here is flashing. I think it flashes once every 3 minutes, something like that, to let you know that there's something in there. So it doesn't matter if it's a mouse or a rat. Now over here, you see the head there, but you can see right there, that's the trap door that you put your peanut butter in to attract it in. But you see it works. This is not the biggest rat. Caught a bigger one before, but as you can see, this product works very, very well. Highly recommended.